Okay. Folks, for example number 4, just before we get to it, if B and D are both non-negative, and what that means, Libby, is 0 or positive, okay, then the binomials A times the square root of B plus C times the square root of D and A root B minus C root D are called conjugates. This is an important word. Okay? Make sure that we know this and what it means by this. It's just like example 1 today. Example 1, these two things were conjugates. Okay? 6 plus root 11 and 6 minus root 11. The nice thing about when we multiply conjugates, it gets rid of the radicals. They go away. Okay? Now let's go back to this example. Okay? Conjugates differ only in the sign of one term. Okay? If A, B, C, and D are all integers, they're not fractions, then the product of A root B plus C root D and A root B minus C root D will be an integer. See example 1. Oh, look, I did that already. Conjugates can be used to rationalize, that means get the square root out of the denominator, binomial denominators that contain radicals. Okay, fine. All of that means that, remember, when we're going to simplify, we cannot have a radical in the denominator. Okay, but this one's a little bit different. I've got a binomial down there. How do I get rid of this radical, Max? Okay, well, this says 5 minus 2 root 7. What should I multiply the bottom and the top by in order to get rid of that radical? Walker? 5 plus 2 root 7. Top and bottom. Remember, because we want to multiply by 1. We don't want to change its value. So whatever I multiply the bottom by, I have to multiply the top by. Okay, well, if I distribute the top, that's going to give me 15 plus 6 root 7. Okay? But on the bottom, I've got this. Well, okay, let's distribute. 5 minus 2 root 7 times 5 plus 2 root 7. What does that give us? 25 plus 10 root 7 minus 10 root 7. Oh, man, that's what we want. Minus 4 times root 7 squared. Okay? These two things cancel out. We definitely want those to go away. And we've got 25 minus 4 times 7. Everybody see that root 7 squared is just 7. 25 minus 28, so that's just negative 3. Let me move this over some. Wait, why? Okay, good. Let me move that right over there. So now on the bottom I have negative 3. Am I done? I'm not done. What can I do? What can I do, Libby? Cancel what? Well, I have to be able to do both, right? Because this is a quantity up here, right? Whenever I get a fraction for my answer, I want to cancel anything that I can cancel. What goes into both of these terms? Poulos? Definitely a 3. Definitely a 3. Times what?
Times 5.
Yes? 5 plus 2 root 7 all over negative 3, right? So then I'm going to cancel the 3's, and now I have 5 plus 2 root 7 all over negative 1. What should I do with that negative 1? What do you think, Libby? I'm just going to stick it up here and get rid of the fraction altogether. Is that all right? Does that make sense? I just took the negative and moved it up top. Do I need to distribute that back in? No, I don't have to. I can leave it as negative 5 plus 2 root 7. Okay? Nice job. Or I can make it negative 5 minus 2 root 7. Either of those I'll accept. That's fine. Great job.